After 7 months, a criminal case is put on us, brothers. Criminal case with this section, several sections like section 143 as I have told you all, section 147, section 341, section 332, section 323 and read with section 149 of IPC. I want to ask the government, Hari, these all sections include rights के लिए हमें ह्याला थंय अनलॉफुल असेंब्ली, वॉलंटरी हर्टिंग पब्लिक सर्वंट्स, पुलिसांनी आमकां उडयला दांडे घेवन, वयल्यान आमचेर केस, restraining from doing duties. Their force was so much. BJP government is trying to suppress our voices. They don't want anyone to talk against them. This is hukumshahi, dadagiri. This Parrikar, when he was in the opposition, mashal घेऊन कसिनोचो बायलान तेणे कसिनो ब्लॉक केल्लो, 500-600 लोकांक घेऊन रस्तो सगळो मेस्ट केल्लो, ताजेर कसलो सेक्शन घालपाचो, ताजेर कसली केस जावपाक जाय.